What is going on, my crypto dudes? Now, today I wanted to switch things up and talk about smart ways to earn passive income with your crypto. Because you know what they say, if you aren't figuring out ways to make money while you sleep, you're likely working the Wendy's drive-thru shilling burgers 7 days a week. And believe me, guys, that is no way to freaking live. You guys need to step things up, I will say that much. But by far the easiest way to make money passively with crypto is through staking. I sometimes refer to the term staking as stake and bake, sort of like shake and bake. But the simplest way to explain what staking is that it's very similar to receiving a payout like a dividend in the stock market. For me, staking has allowed me to get to a point of being able to put close to 20% down on a Lambo, which I will be purchasing very freaking soon. I still have my eyes on a nice green one, which if I'm being honest could be the right color, but I keep switching between green, purple, and orange. But guess what? It won't matter because I am going to get a freaking Lambo. Don't give a shit what any of you think. But here's the deal. I have two different exchanges that allow you to stake different cryptos. And I want to quickly go over them, showing you guys the back end of my account on the first one, which is Uphold. Uphold has around 20 different coins available for staking, and we'll be adding XRP in the near future, which is going to fantastic. And here's the back end of my account where you can see I'm holding a nice chunk of XRP still. But as far as earning passive income, all you have to do is buy one of the staking coins available, and Uphold will send you a dividend payout once a month directly to your account. It's that simple. You don't need to do anything else. But if you want to learn more about Uphold, there will be some bonus links to get some free crypto to get started with directly below in the description and comments. Okay, and the second exchange I would recommend you guys stake your coins to earn that sweet passive income is going to be Kraken. Similar to Uphold, you will find around 20 to 30 different coins available, and the process is exactly the same. You buy your crypto off this list, and once a month you receive those juicy dividend payouts just for owning any of these coins available on the list. Okay, I hope you guys make the leap into staking because I really want a lot of you to quit the Wendy's drive-thru job as soon as possible. Next, I would like to go over some cryptos I believe are going to see some massive 100x returns in this next bull run, starting with Star Atlas. And to give a little context on Star Atlas is a space exploration themed role-playing game, RPG, built on the Solana network. The game takes place in the year 2620 with political factions, territorial pursuit, high-tech weaponry, and spacecraft enriching different aspects of the gameplay. Star Atlas taps into the growing play-to-earn sector of the cryptocurrency space, popularized by games such as Axie Infinity. Play-to-earn games allow players to earn rewards with real-world value for completing tasks and reaching milestones in the game. Players are rewarded for their successes while exploring the galaxy with ATLAS tokens, which they can use to buy in-game items such as weapons, ships, land, and mining equipment. These items, which take the form of non-fungible tokens, NFTs, are a key aspect of the game, allowing players to take ownership over their own strategies and choose their own adventures. The Star Atlas world is built on the Solana blockchain to utilize its fast speeds, low transaction costs, and scalability. It was built using Unreal Engine 5's Nanite system, which is among the most advanced game design engines on the market. Star Atlas taps into the buzz around metaverse technology and play-to-earn gaming, offering a peer-to-peer, in-game economy with land, assets, and other items represented by non-fungible tokens, NFTs. This in-game economy centers around the Serum decentralized exchange built upon the Solana network. Serum allows players to buy and sell their in-game assets directly between each other without the involvement of an intermediary company taking custody of these assets. As far as gameplay, Star Atlas players' goal is to expand their space empire by acquiring land, mining the land for resources, and exploring the galaxy in search of ancient artifacts. On these adventures, players may encounter other players as well as the lost ships, weapons, and crews of deceased players who may have tried and failed to discover these treasures. As in-game items and rewards have real-world value beyond the Star Atlas galaxy, players are incentivized to collect these items and capitalize on their achievements. New players can first get comfortable with the gameplay and explore the galaxy in the faction security zone while learning the basic battle functions and weapons. Once players feel ready, they can venture out to the medium security zone, engaging in combat with other players and returning with NFT bounties to sell or trade. Some players may wish to operate as a landowner and team up with other players. For example, one player manages the extraction of raw materials from the land, while another utilizes the materials to fuel adventures across the galaxy and earn rewards in combat. Star Atlas's innovative land value tax, LVT, prevents properties from being flipped, while incentivizing users to make use of their land. Players can also buy and sell land, collect taxes, or use land as collateral for loans. Bottom line, this is a high-risk gaming play that could yield huge gains.
Of course. Before we get more into this, I wanted to recommend you guys all check out Ignition Poker. You know, when I'm not playing games or checking out the latest tech, I am a regular on the virtual felt. And Ignition allows you to play with both real and play money to test your skills against other players. They also offer millions of dollars in tournament prizes monthly and are one of the highest traffic poker sites and apps in the world. Now, you could also do things like customize tables, card decks, and play multiple tables at a time on your phone or PC. So, if you're looking to possibly make some extra cash or just looking for a good time, I think it's in your best interest to check them out immediately. So if you guys would like to learn more about Ignition and get started, there will be some bonus links you guys could check out directly below in the description and comments of this video.
Okay, next up is freaking Turbo. Originally conceived as an experimental joke coin, Turbo has evolved into a community-driven digital asset with a total supply of 69 billion tokens. What sets Turbo apart is its foundation in artificial intelligence, specifically guided by the GPT-4 model, which influenced its creation and development. The token's smart contract is renounced, meaning no central authority can alter its core functionalities, ensuring a fully decentralized and fair distribution. This unique aspect not only enhances security, but also fosters a trustless environment for all participants. Within the Turbo ecosystem, Turbo Token serves multiple use cases, primarily centered around community engagement and decentralized decision-making. As the project thrives on the input and creativity of its community, Turbo tokens are used as a medium of exchange and a voting tool for various initiatives and proposals. This participatory model allows token holders to influence the direction of the ecosystem, from funding new projects to deciding on partnerships and collaborations. The token's design, which includes no transaction taxes, encourages active trading and interaction within the community, making it accessible and appealing to a broad audience. The Turbo token also plays a crucial role in the ecosystem's artistic and digital content initiatives. The project has attracted a diverse group of artists and digital creators who utilize TURBO as a medium for buying, selling, and auctioning digital art and collectibles. This not only creates a vibrant marketplace for creative works, but also provides a platform for artists to reach a wider audience within the crypto space. Moreover, the token's integration into platforms like SXBet opens up additional use cases such as betting and gaming, further diversifying its applications and appeal. Bottom line here is that the Turbo token is more than just a joke coin. It is the backbone of a decentralized, community-oriented ecosystem that emphasizes inclusivity, creativity, and innovation. There's also no telling how high this coin could go, so if you're looking for those juicy gains investing a small amount, this is another solid pick. Okay, and our last pick goes to an AI crypto Arkham. Arkham Aktiak is a blockchain analytics platform that provides a decentralized marketplace for buying and selling on-chain intelligence, including entity labels, hacker tracing data, and curated data feeds. The platform utilizes AI to de-anonymize blockchain transactions, offering insights into individuals and businesses involved in such activities. ARKM is the native token used for staking, incentivizing, trading, and intel-to-earn activities within the ecosystem. Crypto intelligence is one branch of the industry that aims to bring a greater degree of insight and transparency to a space that's built on anonymity and watertight user privacy. Companies offering crypto intelligence products such as blockchain analysis, tools, market research services, and specialized consultancy set out to gather analysis and insight on cryptocurrencies, their underlying blockchain technology, and the users who adopt them. The ultimate objective for crypto intelligence is simple: to give every crypto user visibility to data and insight so they can make informed decisions. This data and the decisions drawn from them could help fight fraud, lower barriers to adoption, find new projects, and trade more effectively, which is why Arkham is so appealing. It's another coin that could see some massive growth in the AI sector and should not be overlooked. Okay, anyways, hope you guys enjoyed our picks. Please tap that like if you made it till the end, and we will see you all in the next video.